How to choose the best coding bootcamp. Part 1. There has been a sudden increase in the number of coding bootcamps. So, it is difficult to choose the best coding bootcamp. We at SynergisticIT will provide you some tips on how to choose the best coding bootcamp. Let's have a look. Number 1. Check the curriculum. Check the course curriculum and topics covered by a bootcamp to make sure that the technologies are relevant. Number 2. Duration of the coding bootcamp. Bootcamps on average range from 8 to 12 weeks to as long as 6 months. Check if there is a fixed course duration. Number 3. Type of training. Some coding bootcamps provide half instructor-led and half self-taught training. Check how many hours per day training is and how many days per week. Number 4. The cost of the bootcamp. Bootcamps range from no cost upfront to as high as $20,000 upfront. Check out the hidden terms and agreements of no upfront. Number 5. Contract. Many supposedly free bootcamps pay a stipend for the training with massive hidden costs. The catch here is low pay and a contractual obligation to stick with the bootcamp.
Stay tuned for the next part of this video.
SynergisticIT, home of the best data scientists and software programmers in the Bay Area. Call 510-550-7200.